think the reason audiences have been so captivated by my new talk, Your Year of Wonders, is because it gives them a glimpse of their future self, looking back in awe at how the seeds of their next great achievement were planted during such a crazy time of disruptive change in their industry and their company.
180 leaders at this organization, and you each make 110 decisions every single day, give or take. What if you each made a commitment here today, a vow, to take one of those decisions, just one out of 110, just one decision every day that you decided consciously and intentionally that you're going to err on the side of action instead of erring on the side of caution. It's something like over 40,000 bold leadership actions by the end of the year. How different might this culture look in the wake of 40,000 bold leadership actions? The front page news story is not that change is hard, it's that growth is happening. Growth is happening. Both stories are equally true, but it's up to each and every one of us to decide which story are we going to tell.
Change is hard.
Because that's what we're here to talk about today, right? One team, one future. 10, 20, 30 years from now, the leaders who are going to carry on your legacy are going to be able to look back and say, all the success that we enjoy right now, all the positive impact that we are able to have on our customers, on our communities, began when this group of change agents boldly and courageously decided to step up and fully embrace this once-in-a-career opportunity for true transformation.
Welcome to your Year of Wonders.